What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm GT, and today I did have a paint video for you guys, but unfortunately all my ingredients, I'm gonna call them, stayed in my Tahoe, and my wife took it to work. So right now I barely got it, and it's too late to start painting. But instead, I've got a few things that I purchased for here at the garage. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the things that I already opened, and we'll go ahead and build some of them together. And it's just gonna be some cool little gadgets that I bought for the garage that's just gonna make me, help me work a little easier, better, or just, cool. So let's get started. So here it is, first thing on the list, a little refrigerator that I got for the garage. Pretty small, 3.5 cubic feet. Right now I just put a few drinks in here, some waters, and later on I could bring some snacks, some ice creams, put them up there, have something to munch on. So I'm pretty happy about this. I only paid like 110 bucks for this one, 117 after taxes, something like that. And it's a good little investment. I'm happy about this. It's 100 bucks. So really happy about this one. Second thing on the list, you can never have enough tools. At least that's what I say. So another thing I bought, here it is, a set of combination wrenches. The brand is HORUSDY. And this one comes from imperial sizes from 1/4 inch all the way to 1 inch, and metric sizes from 6 all the way to 24. And these are pretty decent, like decent quality. There's a brand right there, HORUSDY. They have some good weight. They are chrome, vanadium. I haven't tried these on anything yet, but it's a little cool little set right here. I do have a toolbox over there which is full of wrenches and sockets, but they're all scattered in there. I don't have a specific place for them. That toolbox is just too small. And right there in the bottom I have another box full of screwdrivers, which comes to my second part of the set. This is a JEGS screwdriver set. This is 69 pieces of screwdrivers from Phillips, flats. It also has Torx and squared, and another little screwdriver to use, the bits in front. So full of screwdrivers. So I had mentioned later on I am going to build a wall and a door to cover up that compressor. Once I do that, I do want to get myself some toolboxes. That way I can have right here on the bottom, at least the ones from Harbor Freight, the US General. I could have some of those right there on the bottom with a workbench on top. Keep the refrigerator on top of the workbench, and then behind it on the wall I want to put some pegboard and some hooks. That way I can keep some of the combination wrenches just hanging up on the pegboard, some of the screwdrivers also. Leave the other ones, the old set, for backup in case I need to use those. But I want to start, collecting some new sets of tools in every different tool set, And inside the toolbox, I'll probably keep, some of the specialty tools like harmonic balancer pullers, installers, like the specialty tools. But this is part 2 of the things that I bought for here at the garage. Another little investment, starting on some tools already. So we're gonna fill this up, this garage with tools. That way I can make my jobs easier. I always have the right, wrenches or sockets. Later on I'll get some, ratchets. And I'm looking forward to buying more of this brand. It's not that expensive. It doesn't break the bank. And, just by looking at these, they are, decent quality. It's, they are pretty cool. So that's the second thing on the list. Moving on. So here is a mechanic rolling mechanic seat, WEN. A few days ago, I guess. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and build this one real quick, and we'll continue. Alright, this right here is going to be a temporary wall. This one I made. So whenever I come over and wanting to paint something, either a part or a car or something like that, I could just, stretch that temporary wall until I make something better at least. But just so I can control the overspray just a little bit. Right now I have this car right here, but once I move it, or whenever I'm ready to spray something, I'll throw a drop cloth over it, and it's gonna help with the overspray a little bit. I'm still working on maybe some extractors to blow the overspray out, so I'm probably gonna put some window fans right there underneath the garage door. That way I can blow the overspray out. But I already have a video made of this one, so I'm gonna let you guys watch it real quick. And yeah. Here it is. There's that wall right there. So, yep, that's gonna be it for today. This is the temporary wall. I do want to start painting. I already have my compressor hooked up to the Max Line air kit, so I do want to try to start painting in here. I am getting the paint ready to paint my Mitsubishi, although I'm going to use my Mitsubishi as a canvas, not necessarily a video about painting my Mitsubishi, although at the end of it, it will be painted, but I'm going to use that as a canvas to try helping people with their questions, try to answer, you know, your guys' questions about mixing paints, ratios, you know, what to reduce with, and stuff like that. Since I do get a lot of questions on those topics, you know, I have Rust-Oleum paint jobs and all that stuff, and I still get a lot of questions on how to reduce and, you know, so on and so forth. But on my Tahoe right here, she's dirty, but some people have asked me to, like, lately the MSD two-step video, went a little viral this last week or two, so really happy for that one. I think within a matter of these 2 weeks it gained like about 100,000 views, and with those a ton of questions and a ton of, you know, suggestions, like first off, doing a launch with my two-step on the Tahoe, and also people want to see a burnout on my Tahoe. So I am going to answer those in video form, like do a launch and do a burnout. So stick around for those two also. And of course, my channel is always about helping people, answering questions, and, you know, if not, you guys are there in the comments. So that's gonna be it. Appreciate you guys watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Peace out.